Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from CPMT 2008. In the diagram shown below, the normal reaction 2 kg and 3 kg is. So normal reaction between 2 kg and 3 kg block is asked in this question. So student, first of all we want to find out its acceleration of the system. So first we consider these three blocks as a single blocks. Therefore total mass equal to 2 kg plus 3 kg plus 5 kg, and that is equal to 10 kg. Okay, and force is acting in upward direction, so the F equal to ma. Using this concept, 100 equal to mass is 10, a is, therefore a is equal to 10 meter per second square. But here its system total mass of the system is working in downward direction. Let this is 10 g cos 37, and in downward direction of the plane is 10 g sin 37. So we remove this. Here 100 minus 10 g sin 37, this is the resultant force acting on the system, and that is equal to ma. M is 10 into a. So we got here a by using this concept, that upward force minus downward force equal to resultant acceleration into mass. So this is 100 minus 10 g. G is also 10, and 10 sin 37 is 3 by 5. So this is 10 a. 5 2 ja 10, 2 10 ja 20, 23 ja 60. So 100 minus 60 equal to 10a. This is 40 equal to 10a, and a equal to 4 meter per second. So 4 meters per second is the acceleration of system. This is not correct, but here is 4 meter per second square. Now we consider the block taking gap between them. Okay, let this is the normal reaction between, since 3 kilogram force press the 2 kilogram block, 3 kilogram block press 2 kilogram block in downward direction. So this is normal reaction between them, and 2 g sin 37 working in downward direction, and force of 100 Newton working in upward direction. So the resultant force 100 minus n minus 2g sin 37, that is equal to ma, mass of the block 2 kilogram, and acceleration is 4 meter per second square. So 100 minus n minus 2 into g into 37 sin 37, 3 by 5 equal to 8. So 100 minus n minus 5 2 ja 10, 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, that equal to 8. So taking n in right direction, 100 minus 12 minus 8 equal to n. So this is 100 minus 20 equal to n, and n equal to 80 Newton. N equal to 80 Newton is the normal reaction between the block 2 kilogram and 3 kilogram. So here correct answer is C, 80 Newton. So I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.